you're doing great. Welcome on board with us. So guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about CDC mask guidelines September 2020. So guys, yes, if you wanted to know more about it or wanted to fill your cup of information with the new knowledge and updates, then guys, you need to be updated with us. Stay tuned with us, watch the video till the end, and guys, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So guys, yes, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that is CDC, has recently released the new updated version of guidelines for selecting, wearing, cleaning face mask for the coronavirus pandemic. Guys, as per the latest reports and update that was there on August 27, that CDC has continuously recommending the new way of wearing mask in the public settings around people who do not live in the household, and when you stay away 6 feet away from others. Mask helps stop the spread of COVID-19 to others, the CDC maintains. So guys, as per the latest information in Michigan, it has been the law to wear mask in public buildings and spaces since the governor order was issued in July. So guys, yes, when we talk about the CDC mask guidelines overview, it says do not choose masks that have 2 or more layers of washable, breathable fabric, completely cover your nose and mouth, fit snugly against the sides of your face, and do not have gaps. Do not choose masks that are made of fabric that makes it hard to breathe. For example, vinyl have exhalation valves or vents which allow virus particles to escape. And the last one is are intended for healthcare workers, including N95 respirators or surgical masks. So guys, in special cases, if you wear glasses, find a mask that fits closely over your nose or one that has nose wire to limit fudging. So guys, before moving ahead, do like, share and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to perform better. So guys, the list of CDC mask guidelines overview is: wear mask with 2 or more layers to stop the spread of pandemic. You need to wear the mask over your nose and mouth, and you need to secure it under your chin. Next is the mask should be worn by people 2 years and older. Below 2 years and you need not have to do that. Next guys, mask should not be worn by children younger than the age of 2 because it might find problems and children can find breathing problems. Next is guys, mask should not be worn by children who are having some breathing problems or who cannot remove the mask without the help of anyone. And guys, as per the latest guidelines, do not wear mask intended for healthcare workers, for example N95 respirators. Guys, you need to take care when selecting a mask. The CDC says people should avoid the mask with exhalation valves and vents. Next is guys, how to wear a face covering. It is given wear face covering so to comes all the way up close to the bridge of your nose. Make sure it covers your way down under your chin. You need not have to tighten the loops. Give your best effort so it slunks around your face without gaps. How to wear a face covering. Do not wear your face covering so it's below or covered just the tip of your nose. Do not leave your chin exposed. Do not wear your face covering loosely with the gaps. Do not push your face covering under your chin to rest your neck. There are many information which is given clearly. Just check it out. Show that you care wear. Please make sure your mask cover your nose and chins and there are not at all gaps are there. So guys, yes, if you find the information helpful for you, please like it, share, comment and subscribe to our channel as it will give us immense knowledge to give you more knowledge about the latest news and updates. Yes guys, so take care of the CDC new updation and follow it wisely. So guys, thank you so much for your precious time. We're going to meet you soon with the next video. Till then, be safe and be informed.